With us tonight is a young man who continues to fight in his battle with cancer. Diagnosed at age 12, he has undergone 3 spinal operations and numerous radiation treatments, most recently reaching a critical milestone in his care. In celebration of completing 6 weeks of daily proton beam therapy at Mass General Hospital, and as a symbol of strength and support for those who continue to fight, he is here with us tonight to perform a special tradition. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome 17-year-old from Fall River, Massachusetts, Logan Dorego. Logan, you are an inspiration to all who battle this disease, and to mark your incredible treatment milestone and lend hope to those who continue to fight, let's hear you ring that bell. Logan, come on back, and would Captain Sean Couturier and Brad Marchand please join Logan at center ice for tonight's ceremonial puck drop. Thank you, Logan.